ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು 26th ಸೆಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. 26ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ 3rd, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, and session number 26 in digital marketing subject. So we are going to see today in this 26th session about social media campaign planning and management. My dear friends, we have understood in previous sessions about social medias. So what is social media? Social media ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದವರು ಯಾರೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಟ್ವಿಟರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನನ್ನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಎನ್ನುವುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡುವ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us look into the social media campaign planning and management. So in this session we are going to see the meanings, features and uses of what is social media campaign planning and management. So the learning objective of the session is to make the students to aware of the concept and features of social media campaign planning and management. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗಿದು, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿದು ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ದ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ to understand and to know the concept and features of social media campaign planning and management. Let us go to straight away social media planning and management ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಯುವ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು the process of strategically designing. So strategically means it is long term oriented, it's not short term oriented. So strategically designing, executing, monitoring and analyzing promotional activities on social media platforms to achieve specific goals such as increasing brand awareness, engagement, website traffic or sales. My dear friends, we all know that today we do all these exercises of marketing in order to increase the sales, or in order to increase brand awareness, or in order to increase the engagement with the audience, or in order to see that there is more website visibility. So keeping all these objectives in mind, we need to plan, we need to manage, we need to design, we need to execute, we need to monitor, we need to analyze various promotional activities which we carry out in social media platform. So social media campaign planning and management is a entire process ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ social media campaign. No, it is a continuous process where we design, execute, monitor, analyze promotional activities on social media platforms. ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಅದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ವಿಟರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್, ಟು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಆರ್ it is sales. So what it involves? So it involves setting objectives. So first we have to set objectives, why we require social media campaign. Create content, we need to create content after understanding the target audience. Choosing the platform, so either it is Twitter, or it is YouTube, or it is Facebook, or it is Instagram. So targeting audience, so who are our audience? Is it housewives? Is it children? Is it aged people? Is it male members? Or it is youth? So we need to understand that, and then we need to track the results. So what are the features of this? So we need to understand what is this social media campaign planning and management all about. So first feature is, it is goal setting. So first we need to understand that it involves setting of goals. So defining the campaign objectives and target audience. So first we need to define what are the objectives of our campaign, which social media and what are the objectives of our campaign, and the target audience, who are the target audience. Second feature is content creation. So we have to develop content strategy and creating engaging content. So content should be very powerful, content should make an impact, content should attract the public, content should have that capacity to pull the customers towards it. So then the channel selection, choosing the relevant social media platforms. Either it is Instagram, which is a very famously used platform today. Many of the business houses are using Instagram, which I have seen in my experience also, as well as YouTube's. You can see our films, etc. Use YouTube as one of the social media platforms for their promotion or paid advertisements. So utilizing paid social media ads to reach the target audience, or influencer partnerships. So you can collaborate with the influencers to amplify the campaign reach. Tracking and measuring. This is very important. It's not only sufficient to have a very good strategy, but we need to measure and track how our strategy is doing, how our campaign is working, how our campaign is performing, and is it reaching the audience? Is it the audience is happy with it? Etc. So these are the features of it. Let us look into the key aspects of it. So first it is strategy development. So we need to define the campaign goals, target audience, and messaging. So this is very important. Strategy development. Have a clear idea of the strategy. So what are the goals of it? Who are the target audience? And then message. Okay. Second is content creation. So developing high quality content and engaging the content is very important. So we need to, I told, it is very difficult to engage the audience through ads, because all of us know by experience we usually skip ads. But if it is a very powerful advertisement, very soothing advertisement, very attractive advertisement with high quality, maybe on music, on songs, or on background music, or on the brand ambassadors, definitely there are people to watch the ads as well. So campaign execution, how do you execute this campaign? That is also very important. Tracking and optimization, so monitoring the performance and adjusting the strategy. So that is also one of the very important aspect of this. Uh, so let us move on to the uses of uh, campaign planning and management. First is brand awareness. Every company first would like to create brand awareness. So they require awareness of their brand with the public. So increasing visibility and recognition is a very important aspect. So first one. Then it is lead generation. So companies are interested in lead generation as well. So let us understand the uses of it after brand awareness, lead generation. So driving website traffic and generating leads. It is a very crucial aspect to get new customers. So leads are very important. It's not just the existing customers, but new customers also required. Sales and conversions. So encouraging purchases and specific actions. It's not sufficient only people watching the ads, but that ad should get results. So that is people should purchase the product out of the ads. So ad should be such that it motivates people to purchase the product or service. So that is very important. Crisis management, so managing the reputation and responding to the crisis. So crisis management is very important. So we need to manage the reputation and responding to the crisis. Sometimes it will happen to have some crisis, but we have to manage those crises. So community engagement, building and engaging with the target audience is very, very important. And social medias are such platforms where you can make groups and then you can continuously engage with them. So many of the companies today, good companies today, target the customers and then keep continuously engage with the customers to give good service to the customers. Product launches, new products, new services are usually launched through social medias today, because social media has got a wide reachability. So reachability in terms of product, social media is very, very high. So in this regard, today many companies go for this social media ads, so social media introduction and all, so promoting new products or services through this. uh, and by planning and managing social media campaign effectively, business and organizations can achieve their marketing goals, increase brand awareness, drive engagement with their target audience. So the planning and managing of social media campaign, if it is done effectively at right time and right approach we use in social media, definitely business and organizations can achieve their marketing goals. Of course, the marketing goals can be sales maximization or revenue generation and increase brand awareness. So brand awareness is also very important, and to have a continuous engagement with the target audience so that customer is always coming to you and then purchasing the product. So it creates a brand loyalty kind of thing. So that has to be done from the company side, and it generates reports to evaluate success and learn for future campaigns as well. So it is not that company should only do the ad and then close the ad there itself. No, they should continuously monitor those ads and then evaluate the performance of their social media ads, because social media ads are getting results. Many of the time we can see that many of the companies use these ads to get the results, and they get results. They are having a lot of connections, that is why they are generating results. So we can see that social medias are generating results. So in this way we can say that social media campaign planning and management is one of the very important aspect in social media or digital marketing, we can say. So on to the recap. So whatever we have learned in this session is all about social media campaign planning and management. My dear friends, we have understood what is social media platforms, what are the medias available, etc. Now we have understood how social media campaign can be planned, how it can be executed. Let it be the target audience selection, content creation, or engaging with the audience, or analytics with regard to social media campaign. So in this session, we have understood about social media campaign planning and management, its uses, its features, and what it is we have understood very clearly. Thank you very much.